Hi and welcome back to MRTV. Finally it starts again. MRTV goes into season 5. And in this season, everything is going to change. The MRTV that you knew is gone. MRTV in the future is not only going to be me, Sebastian Ang. Starting from season 5, MRTV is a team. The last 4 years with MRTV and with you have been incredibly exciting. As you know, I went all in with VR and I made MRTV my day job. In the last 4 years, I brought you so many high-quality independent videos about VR and AR, and now recently I've also started with the Next Dimension podcast. However, I have now felt that I'm reaching my limits and I can't bring you as many videos and I cannot cover as many topics as I want because, well, simply I did everything on my own. Starting with season 5, a new era of MRTV is starting. MRTV is growing, and starting from this season, MRTV is a team, and I can tell you the new team members are fantastic. We share the same values, and also in the future, MRTV is going to stand for independent, high-quality XR content. Of course, we will keep bringing you that high-quality independent content about hardware that you love and that you expect from MRTV. But on top of that, you will also get content about news, about current topics, and about games. Something that I wanted to bring you before, and I did have access to all the games, but there was simply no time to bring it to you. Now, with Team MRTV, that is possible. But now for sure you want to get to know them, and I'm incredibly proud to introduce you to the Team MRTV. And the real reason why we're growing, because why would you only want to have one guy with a German accent if you can have 3? So let's get to the chopper. I'm introducing to you the MRTV team coming up.
Hi, my name is Marco Budde and I'm proud to be a new member of the Team MRTV. I am a VR enthusiast and I love everything about VR. Personally, I love the VR hardware. I love VR games and I will do VR game reviews here on MRTV, but I love in-depth VR analysis and you will see very much VR hardware videos here on MRTV. MRTV is an independent YouTube channel and I will say thank you for your support that MRTV can grow now to have the new team members like me. I'm a very critical German guy, like maybe you know German guys are, so you can expect that I will analyze any VR related product very carefully. And this is what my name and what I and MRTV will stand for. So stay tuned. Thank you that I can be here. And I would like to hear from you in the comments. Maybe write me an email or write me a message on Discord or Twitter. I will looking forward to it. So thank you very much. And we will see each other in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, my name is William and I'm excited to be a part of MRTV now. When I first tried VR in 2016, it was an absolutely magical moment for me. I've loved video games since I was a kid and I've been studying this industry for years. VR has become a dream come true for me, and this dream was completely immerse myself in games and experience gaming in a new way. In addition to VR, the topic of augmented reality is of course also a very fascinating topic and will almost definitely become a more relevant topic in the next few years. Guys, I would like to learn more about all these things and exchange ideas about them. And it's great that Sebastian gives me the opportunity to do just that right here on MRTV. You will get some video reports from me on current topics in VR, AR, XR, MR, everything R, and I will also be testing some video games for you. I'm excited to see how you take the videos and how your feedback turns out. Of course, I have a corresponding claim in terms of freedom and independence of my opinion. Therefore, you can expect an honest and independent opinion from me in the videos. In any case, I'm looking forward to the time together with Marco, Sebastian and you here at MRTV.
So it's Marco, William and Sebastian who make up the new Team MRTV, and we can't wait to bring you all of that great content. We will bring you more content than ever before. You will still see my videos on the channel just like before, but you will also see videos from Marco and William, and perhaps sometimes we're also going to make a video together. And this is going to start directly after this video. There's going to be a talk show, MRTV Meet the Team, where we're simply going to talk for an hour actually about current topics so that you can get to know Marco and William a bit better. So absolutely stay tuned after this video and also watch MRTV Meet the Team. And there's even more goodness coming up in Season 5, the MRTV Discord server. Now, the MRTV Discord server is not really new, but the new thing is that I'm actually there. In the first 4 seasons, I was there sometimes, but now we're going to be there more often. And if you want, you can directly get in touch with us. You can ask us questions about hardware and software, and also you can meet members of the MRTV community there. So absolutely join the Discord server. The link is down in the description of this video. And of course, we really want to know, what do you think about these big news that it's now Team MRTV? What do you think of MRTV growing and all the things that we talked about in this video? Do let us know in the comment sections. We can't wait to read and to reply to your comments. And that's everything that I got for this video. Again, stay tuned, watch MRTV Meet the Team to get to know Marco and William a bit better. And now, if you are happy that MRTV is back and back now with a team of 3, absolutely smash that thumbs up and do leave us a comment also, of course, for the algorithm so that more people can find this channel. And also, of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, then absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you won't miss any videos of me, Marco, or William. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.